Good morning to all of you. Happy Kanama to all my YouTube friends and subscribers. With heavy heart, I am saying that the US government, after 67 years of gap, executed a federal death row woman, Lisa Montgomery, to death. It happened in Missouri. Actually, you may be knowing, in USA, in certain states, death penalty is almost stopped. There is no death penalty. Maximum penalties, so jail till the end of life, that's all. But in some states, it is still in existence, right? So in Missouri, it is one of the states where the death penalty is still in existence. Even knowing Trump also supported death penalty, whereas the new president, Mr. Joe Biden, he said he will definitely go against the death penalty. He says death penalty should not be there. But of course, this woman might not have been that lucky to approach Joe Biden. Already, she has used all her resources and the doors from all places have been closed ultimately. She was executed on 13/1/2021. That is on Bogi Day of India. Of course, it is in the execution took place in America. Now, let us see. So after 67 years, that means almost 7 decades, actually in the year 1953, a woman convict by name Bonnie Heady, she was executed in Missouri state in gas chamber. Of course, nowadays it has been changed. Now they will be given only the lethal injection. This woman, Lisa Montgomery, she was given lethal injection and declared dead. Right, now let us know as to what happened and what is the case. Right, please remember right from the beginning, the defense has been arguing that she is the accused Lisa Montgomery. She was a psychic patient and she was having the bipolar disorder. You may be knowing bipolar disorder. If you have seen the Telugu film Aparachitudu, where Vikram was the hero, you can easily understand that bipolar disorder. So people behave in a desperate way in other cases, and normal, they will be normal in certain circumstances. So this Lisa Montgomery, she made friendship with the deceased person, Bobby Joe Stinnett. Bobby Joe Stinnett, they call him. She is from Missouri state, right? So actually, she befriended Bobby under the name of the lover of dogs. Both of them are the lover of the dogs, and both of them are different places. On the particular day in 2004, this Lisa Montgomery, she traveled in her car to Missouri, where she got in contact with the Bobby Geo Stinnett, but she was aged about 23 years at the time, and who was pregnant, carrying a 9th month of pregnancy. Under illusion, this woman, Lisa, she killed her, actually strangled her with a piece of rope. Then she cut the baby from the womb and carried it. Terrific incident. Of course, due to profuse bleeding, she died. Bobby died. This woman carried the dead body. The police stopped and she said that she has given birth. She has just delivered that baby, like that she told. Of course, police can easily assess what is truth and what is wrong. And they arrested her, put her in jail. In 2007, the case ended in conviction. She was given the so-called death. Now, as usual, so it has the advocates Henry Kem and others. They have moved from post to pillar. They have made use of all their resources appeal, next appeal, Supreme Court, lastly, US Supreme Court they have come, and she has filed on her behalf. The clemency petition was filed before the President, Mr. Donald J. Trump. Of course, it was not also agreed upon. Ultimately, a day was fixed, that is 13th. In the meantime, since some of the lawyers they were affected with COVID-19, another delay, and one circuit judge he has also stayed the matter till further inquiry. Of course, since all the steps have been utilized and all of them did not prove useful, ultimately on 13/1/2021 she was executed to death by giving a lethal injection. Even before that, the person who is carrying out the so-called execution, he opened her mask and asked whether she has to tell anything to the society or to anybody. As a last wish, she said no, nothing. She was silent, she did not speak anything, she died. In this connection, please remember the defense. The defense, Henry Kahn, he says that this accused person or the convict has been suffering psychological disorder, psychosis, right from her childhood days. Her stepfather repeatedly raped her along with his friends also, so she was put to sexual abuse right from the beginning. Secondly, she has got the bipolar disorder. She will be under the impression. Now here, why she has done this murder, all these things is because she was under the impression that she was pregnant and this boy was, baby was growing in the womb of that woman. Therefore, she went all the way and killed her and taken away the baby. How horrific. Luckily, the court did not admit the so-called insanity, defense of insanity, and ultimately gave conviction. So when the term of insanity comes, please remember they have also observed the McNaughton rules. You may be knowing in the year 1840 or so, this McNaughton, who was an insane person, he killed Edward Drummond. Actually, he wanted to kill the UK Prime Minister Robert Peel at the time, but he killed him. So he held the defense of insanity. At that time, the common law principles, the Privy Council held that a person is presumed to be sane till he is proved insane. So it is his burden of proof. Burden of proof lies on him to prove that he was insane at that particular point of time. If he is able to prove, okay. If he is not able to prove, definitely court will give conviction to him. Same thing happened in this case also. No doubt she has got a disorder. She is being treated. Even in the prison, she was being treated for psychology. But at that particular point of time, they could not prove that she was mentally insane, and therefore the court has no other, we can't say, the court has convicted her to death. So this is a good case. That too, normally after 7 years of gap, once again they have resorted to the execution. That too, a woman. This is more important. Normally they will execute so many terrorists, all these people, but here is a woman. But whatever it is, it happened. And please remember this an important case where Lisa Montgomery was executed by giving a lethal injection. Thank you.